Let's see how to fix slow download speed problem on computer. So first of all, go to your computer settings and select network and internet. Then click on Wi-Fi and click on your connected Wi-Fi network. In here, you will find this metered connection option. So to speed up your download speed, you must need to disable this metered connection. And then you can close these settings. After doing this, open your search option and type here data usage and open this data usage overview system settings. In here, click on data usage. And here you will find those apps currently consuming your internet download speed. So you need to find out those apps. Close apps that are using excessive bandwidth, such as cloud storage, game launchers, or streaming apps. After doing this, go ahead and check your download speed is increased or not. And the next solution is we have to change our Wi-Fi DNS server. To do it, first of all, you need to open Control Panel. In here, you have to click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Adapter Settings. And here, right-click on your Wi-Fi and open Properties. In here, select Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on Properties. And here, you have to select Use the following DNS server addresses. In this preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8, and in this alternate DNS server at 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK and click on Close. And now you can close these windows. Now you have to type CMD in your search bar and open command prompt as run as administrator. And here type this command ipconfig //dns and hit enter. Once you've done that, now go ahead and check your download speed increased or not. And the last solution is turn off background downloads. To do it, right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. In here, select Processes. And here, check this network column. Close apps that are using excessive bandwidth, such as cloud storage, game launchers, or streaming apps. After closing, this will instantly increase your computer download speed. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.